1 cup poha. 1.5 cup water. Soaking for 1 hour. Soaked poha. 1 medium-size onion chopped. 1 capsicum chopped. Green chili chopped. Grated carrot. 4 medium-sized boiled and grated potato. Hara Dhaniya. A half teaspoon red chili powder. 1 tablespoon garam masala. A half tablespoon coriander powder. 1 tablespoon chaat masala. Salt as per taste. Add peas for extra flavor. 2 grated cheese. Three tablespoon corn flour. A half teaspoon salt. Some water. Dip in corn flour mixture, then in breadcrumbs as shown. Fry on medium to high flame. Serve and enjoy.